Do not upset Dave. How to play. The object of the game is to have the most Dave dough after 5 rounds. The player whose name is closest to Dave becomes Dave for the entire game. If this is unclear, then the player who most wants to be Dave is chosen, or you can just decide chaotically. Dave likes that. Shuffle the anger cards and question cards separately and place them face down in front of Dave as draw decks. Place the sand timer, Dave dollars, and Dave dimes within Dave's reach. At the start of each round, Dave draws the top anger card and reads it aloud, placing it face up on the table. This creates a new rule that all the players must follow for the rest of the game. There are 4 categories of anger cards: language, content, performance, and player-specific. Once the new rule has been established, Dave draws the top question card from the deck and picks one of the questions to ask, reading it aloud. All the players must now answer the question while maintaining all the anger card rules. In round 1, the player to Dave's left answers first, then it proceeds clockwise. In rounds 2 through 5, the player who won the Dave dime in the previous round answers first, then it proceeds clockwise from them. Each player has 30 seconds to answer the question, which Dave enforces by flipping the sand timer. Players may not repeat answers. After everyone has answered, Dave distributes 1 Dave dollar to everyone who gives a complete answer to the question without breaking any rules. Then, Dave gives 1 Dave dime to the player who gave Dave's favorite answer. Dave gets final say in the judgment of awarding dollars and dimes. The only exception is if all the other players agree unanimously for a different answer. Then that decision is overruled. After completing 5 rounds, the player with the most Dave dollars and dimes wins. If it is a tie, then the tied players must compliment Dave until Dave decides one of them wins. The winner of the game becomes Dave in the next game, unless someone really wants to be Dave, then, in that case, let chaos decide. For an extra challenge, you can play Dave's Difficulty of Doom. Each time a new anger or question card is drawn, they are only read once and remain visible only to Dave for the rest of the game.